Good morning, everyone. My name is Michael, and I'm an employee here at Bill Jackson's in the kayak and paddleboard department. And today we're going to be taking this Boat Wolf inflatable paddleboard and deflating it and packing it away into the original packaging so you can understand the process of that and that anyone can do it. It's pretty simple. It doesn't take long at all. And I'm going to get started. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the fin from the bottom of the paddleboard. There is a little clip that you push the button on and unclip it, and then you push it forward and the fin will come off. The second thing I'm going to do is release the leash off of the paddleboard, and it's a three-way. There is a lock, a second lock, and a third lock, and then it will slide out of the loop. The loop remains on your paddleboard. We have this one displayed and just hooked up here as if this was your ankle. So now your leash is off your paddleboard. Next, I'm going to be connecting the boat aero pump. This is a corded pump running to a battery. They do also make this in a USB rechargeable version where it would operate without a cord and no need to hook it to a battery. So we're going to open the valve inlet. We're going to make sure this is on deflate, not inflate. And then we're going to plug this in. And as you can see, the board starts deflating right away just from the pressure that's in the board. But we're going to push go and let it suck all of the air out of it. As soon as it changes the pitch, the noise, it's pretty much just about done. You see how it's changing? Okay, so now that our board is deflated, I pulled the hose out of it, and you can put the cap back on it. And now you're going to grab your strap that goes around it, and you're going to start with the front, the nose of the board, and you're going to make a fold about maybe 6 to 8 inches. So this is important that you start with a smaller fold here, and then every time you fold, keep it straight and just knock the edges down. And we're just going to continue all the way down the board. Just every now and then flatten those corners out. So that should put you pretty close on the fin box to having this flat. This won't bend. It has to remain flat. Put your strap around it and just snug it up. It doesn't have to be crazy tight. And then you're ready to put it in the bag. So you can grab your strap, come over to your bag, tuck the bottom in, and tuck the top in. Next, I always like to do my pump, and the pump can just sit in here like so. This is the original paperwork, the fin, the pump hose, and then the paddle. So the paddle is 3 pieces that breaks down. If you look at these little latches here, you can unlatch these, and then it all slides apart. The bottom piece has a little push button. Push the button, disconnect it, and now your paddle's broke down. And while we're looking at this, I want to mention every so often make sure these are tight, that they don't become loose. Needs to clamp it properly. And then the paddle can just sit in here, like so. And you're ready to put your leash in, and you're ready to fold it up, zip it up. And then you have a couple little tensions on the side just to make sure everything stays in place. And now we have our paddleboard all packaged up in the original bag, ready to come off the beach. This process typically would take anywhere from about 8 minutes to 12 minutes. If you're manually pumping it, it's up to your fitness ability to pump it down. That may take longer, but with the electric pump, about maybe 12 minutes to do that. And that's both ways, pumping up or pumping down. And now we're ready to come off the beach. There we go, we're ready. And these are really comfortable pads. So see you later, enjoy your paddleboard.